been connecting Goa, the most sought after tourism destination in India, through the skies. As the foremost tourism destination in India and an upcoming IT hub with a growing workforce, we believe Goa benefits greatly from a service like Blade's. What we are doing is simple. There is a problem, which is congestion, and accessibility issues involve long hours of road travel. The solution, short-haul air mobility, or as the term goes, urban air mobility. So for the people here today, what is urban air mobility? We are basically using helicopters and in the future electric aircrafts to connect places that cannot be connected through fixed-wing aircrafts. Our roads are congested and inaccessible, and we don't have any more space left on the ground, and when that happens, we look to the skies. Blade India is a joint venture between New York-based urban air mobility company and New Delhi-based venture capital firm Hunch Ventures. After a successful pilot in Maharashtra and Karnataka, we are extremely excited about Goa. As you are aware, accessibility is a concern with the airport connecting North Goa, South Goa and the old airport, and old Goa facing some accessibility concerns. By connecting these places through short-haul flights, we are turning hours of road travel into minutes of flight. We hope this service helps the travelers and locals alike by being better connected, helping tourism by enabling tourists explore more of Goa, and in the long run, let travel not be a deterrent and promote leisure, MICE and business travel in the state. Thank you very much. I would now like to call upon the head of Airbus Helicopters in India and South Asia, Mr. Sunny Guglani, strategic partner to Blade. Sunny, over to you.
Can I speak from you?
Okay. Well, so first of all, thank you, Payal. And I must say that I'm honored to be here in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Sawant. Our partners, Blade, at this occasion. Yesterday I was told that I should say a few words here, so I thought I will speak from my heart. As an Indian myself, who's traveled extensively across the world, sometimes I don't understand why in India tourism is still an underdeveloped and underexploited segment. You travel anywhere in the world and you will see that even small places, they have converted them into such touristic potential, and we are in such a beautiful country with so much geographical diversity. So how is it that we have less than 2% share of the world's international arrivals? It's a question that we need to think about as a country. Why, despite having all this flora and fauna and rich heritage, we're not able to capture more tourists? And I think one of the issues, as Payal spoke about it, it's safe, efficient, and fast mobility. And I think this is the problem that Blade is trying to tackle, and this is where the helicopters come in, and this is where we as Airbus Helicopters come in. So I would say that, the real beauty of India lies in Bharat, the interiors. And these interiors today are hard to reach. So we need solutions based on helicopters which can connect potential tourists, even Indians themselves. Why should Indians go abroad? To connect Indians and foreign tourists to the real Bharat and to create economic opportunities for them. If I look at Goa, we have beautiful beaches. We have beautiful inland areas, wildlife parks, forts, waterfalls. I think helicopters can play a pivotal role in really unlocking the true potential of the state of Goa when it comes to tourism. And sir, I think Goa can lead the way for the rest of the country when it comes to this. So I'm again honored to be here, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sunny. The strategic partnership that Blade shares with Airbus is very, very meaningful to us, and we look forward to the years to come. I would now like to invite Mr. Sanjay Satardekar, Vice Chairman EDC Goa, to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everybody. My Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, our Dashing Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Mr. Karan Singh, Mr. Sunny Guglani, and dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, all the press, media. Today we are here, that today is a golden day for Goa, for tourism industry. Basically, the ideas which are coming into reality, the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, expansion of tourism, improvement of tourism, bringing advancement in tourism, and definitely is going to happen in Goa, because we in Goa are approximately 8 million, so we are going to target 10 million tourists coming to Goa, and in that there are variety of people from low income group to high spending group, and definitely Mr. Karan Singh has introduced his helicopter. It will be affordable and reasonable, which everybody can afford, even the low income group to the high income group, and they can see the beauty of Goa, the creation of God which has been gifted to Goa. Because anywhere you go, when you say you are coming from Goa, people look at you as if you are coming from another state or other country. So whenever you travel, so we want to make Goa really a model state, as Mr. Sunny said. Goa has got a lot of potential that need not be told. It is to be viewed, it is to be visualized. And I want to tell Mr. Karan Singh ki मंजिलों में कुछ पाना है सर, पंखों से उड़ाने नहीं होती है, हौसले से बुलंद होते हैं, लेकिन आपने जो डिसीजन लिया है to come to Goa, I know it's a very risky decision, but you are going to succeed in decision. And to my Honorable Chief Minister, लहरों के डर से कभी कश्तियां पार नहीं हुआ करती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं हुआ करती, and definitely my Chief Minister is going to take Goa on a higher heights to enhance the tourism and to bring more revenue to Goa and Goans. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sanjay. And now for what we've all been waiting for, I take great pleasure in inviting the Honorable CM of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant.
He's speaking first.
We look forward to hearing from you.
Well, firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Sawant to give us this opportunity. I think Goa is probably one of the most frequented travel destinations in the country. I think for us to be able to give a solution to Goa, to get heli tourism into Goa, to get people from north to south, from airports, from neighboring cities, and connecting them through our urban air mobility platform. We are very, very excited, and I think this is going to be the first tourism, heli tourism sort of project in India, and with his dynamic leadership and his support, I think we will be launching these services in Goa and really making an impact to the tourism industry here. Thank you, sir. Thank you for having us here.
Thank you, Karan. Dr. Sawant, we look forward to hearing from you.
Inauguration of the helicopter services by Blade Aviations. For this program, along with me, the founder of the Blade Aviation, Mr. Karan Singh, Commercial Director Payal Singh, and also Mr. Sunny Guglani, the Airbus Director, rest of my friends, Sanjay Satardekar, my friends from the media. First of all, I am congratulating the Blade Aviation Services for starting their aviation services in the state of Goa, especially for the tourism purpose, medical service purpose. The first of its kind is the aviation services they are starting in the state of Goa. Altogether, there are more than 8 million of the tourists who are coming in the state. As rightly the Sunny Guglani has said, that so many places at present it is not explored. I think the tourists will like to explore so many interland tourism, so many other places till now which are not explored. So definitely from the government side, we are welcoming these decisions, and further we can give whatever the permissions required for him, wherever the permissions required for him, definitely will give him the permissions for these aviation services. It is for the connectivity between the north and south. It isn't very easy. At present, it is required, I think, more than 2 hours of the distance we required from the one side of the Goa to go for the another sides. It is for the tourist also, from the airport to come to the northern side. It will, within the 15 minutes, the tourist will also come within the 15 minutes. So definitely, it is a good decision taken by the Blade Aviation Services, and I am welcoming that. Also, this is especially for the medical emergency purpose, the aviation services should utilize in future, and also to go to the nearby cities like the Belgaum, like the Kolhapur. They'll utilize their services by taking the aviation's permissions. So definitely that will also more and more this type of services, the connectivity between the different cities, that will also help for the people for the connectivity. सगळ्यात पयली हांव तांचें खूब खूब स्वागत करता आनी गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री ह्या नात्यान खरोखरूच तांचें मनापासून अभिनंदन करता. आयच्यो एविएशन सर्विसीस ते सुरू करता आसतना मनाक खूब खोस भोगता, कारण हांव ब्लेड एविएशन सर्विसीस हांच्या वतीन बाब करणपाल सिंग आनी सनी गुगलानी जे खास करून गोंयांत तांच्यांनी ही एविएशन सर्विसीस सुरू करता आसतना तांच्यांनी थोडीशी रिस्क घेतली आसतली. पण तांच्यांनी रिस्क घेता आसतना सुद्दां गोंयांतल्या आमी जशें म्हणटा की टुरिजम सर्विसीसांत तांच्यांनी सुरू केल्ले आनी एक मानाचो तुरो हो गोंयांत तांच्यांनी एविएशन सर्विसीस सुरू करून आमकां गोंयांत जे टुरिस्ट येता तांकां गोंय हें वयल्यान पळोवपाची संद तांच्यांनी टुरिस्टाक दिल्या बद्दल खरोखरूच गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन तांचें हांव खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. आमी जेन्ना पळयता की आयज पर्यंत अशा पद्दतीच्यो सर्विसीस सुरू जातली म्हणून आमी वाट पळयताले. खुबशे फावटी सरकाराच्या कडल्यानूय बी खूब प्रयत्न केले गेले, पण आयज पर्यंत ही सर्विसीस सुरू जावंक नाशिल्ल्यो. त्यो सर्विसीस ब्लेड एविएशन्स ह्या कंपनीन सुरू केला, ताच्या खातीर गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन हांव खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. गोंयांत अश्यो कितल्योश्यो टुरिस्ट प्लेसीस ज्यो आसा आयज पर्यंत एक्सप्लोर करूंक ना, जाका आमी इंटरलँड टुरिजम आसतले किंवा फॉरेस्ट एरिया आसतल्यो, ज्यो एक्सप्लोर करपा खातीर टुरिस्टाक खरोखरूच जाका आमी कनेक्टिविटी जाय आशिल्ली आनी लॉंग डिस्टन्स आसल्या कारणान टुरिस्ट थंय वचप प्रिफर करिनाशिल्ले. ते डिस्टन्स आतां कनेक्टिविटी अवेलेबल जाल्ल्या कारणान डेफिनेटली टुरिस्ट प्रिफर करतले आनी वीच इज द एफोर्डेबल सर्विसीस फॉर द टुरिस्ट ऑल्सो. सो दॅट म्हाका दिसता आनी ताकाच लागून हे डे बाय डे तांची एविएशन सर्विसीस ही टुरिस्टांक आनिकूय लायक जातली. एड ऑन तितून करता आसतना फॉर द मेडिकल एमर्जन्सी आनी मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज आमकां सगळ्या जाणांक खबर आसा ज्या वेळार एमर्जन्सी आसता एखाद्या पेशंटाक एव्हॅक्युएट करून हॉस्पिटलांत व्हरपाची फॅसिलिटीज त्या वेळार हेलिकॉप्टर सर्विसीस ह्यो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात युटिलायज जाता. आमकां आतां पर्यंत जेन्ना जेन्ना मेडिकल एमर्जन्सीज जाताल्यो आमी पळयता की बाय रोड 2-2 वरां 3-3 वरां ट्रॅव्हल करता आसतना आमकां ज्यो डिफिकल्टीज फेस जाता त्यो गोंयांत खूब फावटी आमी पळयल्या. बट अशा वेळार आमकां ब्लेड एविएशन सर्विसीसची मदत आमकां जातली आनी निश्चित रित्या ताका लागून लोकांकूय बी खूब बरें जातलें. कनेक्टिविटी बिटवीन द नेबरिंग सिटीज ज्यो आमी बेळगांव आसतले, शिर्डी आसतले, इवन दो फॉर कोल्हापूर आसतले, बाय टेकिंग द परमिशन्स फ्रॉम दॅट कन्सर्न एअरपोर्ट म्हाका दिसता थंयसरल्यो जर सर्विसीस सुरू जाल्यो जाल्यार जे लोक गोंया कडेन येवपा खातीर जेंकां 4 वरां जाली मोर दॅन दॅट तांकां बाय रोड ट्रॅव्हल करचें पडटा, तांचेय डिस्टन्स हे कमी जातले आनी तेंच्योय सर्विस हांगासर येवपाची कनेक्टिविटी आनी डिस्टन्स वायज कमी जाल्ल्या कारणान तांकांय बी हांगा येवप खूब सोंपें जातलें आनी खुबशे लोक हांगा येवप प्रिफर करतले. ह्यो ब्लेड एविएशन सर्विसीसा खातीर गोंयांतले टुरिजम आनीक वाडटले आनी आमी जे म्हणटा की नवीन नवीन टुरिजम वेंचर सुरू जावपाक जाय, जशें मेडिकल टुरिजम सुरू जावपाक जाय, एडवेंचर टुरिजम सुरू जावपाक जाय. आमी तातूंत करून आज म्हणटले की आज ब्लेड एविएशनाच्या खातीर हेलिकॉप्टर सर्विसीस सुरू केल्ल्या कारणान दिस इज अ हेलिकॉप्टर म्हणजे टुरिजम एक नवीन आमी टुरिजम सर्विसीस लोकांक हांगा प्रोवायड करून दिता. त्या खातीर मुख्यमंत्री ह्या नात्यान म्हाकाय बी खूब खोस भोगता की त्यांची ही एविएशन सर्विसीस सुरू करता आसतना फर्स्ट रायड हांवें स्वता अनुभवलें. गोंय वयल्यान पळोवपा खातीर हेलिकॉप्टरांतल्यान खूब सुंदर आसा. आमी जितके सकयल्यान पळयता ताच्या पेक्षा वयल्यान आनीक सुंदर गोंय खूब पळोवपा खातीर दिसता आनी तेंच गोंय म्हणजे सुंदरकाय मेंटेन दवरपाचें काम आमच्या सगळ्यांचें आसतलें आनी हीच सुंदरकाय पळोवपा खातीर सदोदीत ट्युरिस्ट हे गोंयांत येत आसता. हांव परत एकदां मना काळजांतल्यान तांचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता आनी अशाच पद्दतीचे नवीन नवीन टुरिजमांतले वेंचर्स हांगासर सुरू जावचे आनी नवीन नवीन संदी सदोदीत गोंयकारांक एवेलेबल जावच्यो हाज्या खातीर सरकाराचो सदोदीत प्रयत्न आसतलो. हाज्याय फुडें तांकां लागपी सगळी परमिशन्स इधर ती एविएशन डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वतीन आसतली, टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वतीन आसतली, ती सगळी परमिशन्स तांकां जाता तितके बेगीन आमच्या कडल्यान दिली वयतली. आमच्या कडेन बी आशिल्ले ओल्ड गोवांतलो हेलिपॅड सर्विसीस ज्यो आमी सुरवात केल्या ताजोय उपयोग तांकां टायम टू टायम करपाक दिलो वयतलो. हांव परत एकदां बाब करणपाल सिंग ब्लेड एविएशनचे मॅनेजिंग डिरेक्टर आनी मिस्टर सनी गुगलानी व द एअरबस डिरेक्टर्स ह्या दोगांयचे समिस्त गोंयकारांच्या वतीन खूब खूब स्वागत करता आनी ह्यो सर्विसीस हांगा दिल्या बद्दल हांव सरकाराच्या वतीनय तांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. थँक्यू ऑल.
Thank you so much, sir. For the success